Hey guys, I'm very excited to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic in computer vision called tracking. We will track two people in a video. I use YOLO version 12 with DeepSort. DeepSort leverage Kalman filter to track and identify the people. So we are going to see this in action. Let's go. So this is the code to track the person in a video. Firstly, we will import the necessary libraries. The first library will be OpenCV, and the next YOLO from Ultralytics for object detection, for tracking and detecting the person in a video, and then DeepSort for tracking the people in a video. Then we will call the YOLO model, YOLO version 12 nano, to detect the person and with the class ID 0. And then we initialize the DeepSort library by putting max age to 1000. We will ensure that it will restore the identification of the person in the video for 1000 frames in consecutive frames, and if the object disappears for more than 1000 frames, it will remove the tracking, and if he arrives after 1000 frame, it will be a new person. So we will put in 1000, it will be around 30 seconds if the person doesn't appear, which is good, optimal. And we assign n init for with 3 because we want to make sure that if the person is detected at least in 3 consecutive frames, it will start the tracking of that person. And then we define the confidence threshold to 50%. In this way, we will ensure that if the object, which is the person, the model is confident more than 50% that this is the person, it will track that person. Here we will define the function to detect the person of the frame. We will input the frame, and then we get the result of the model, YOLO model, on the frame, and we store the coordinates of the bounding box with the confidence of the model for the object and for detecting the person, and also we store the class ID of the person of the object that it detects. Then if the class is 0, which means that the object is the person, and also the model is more confident than 50% that the object that is detected is a person, then we store the coordinates of the bounding box. The first one is the point on the left top part of the object, and the next x and y belongs to the bottom and right part of the bounding box. And then we add to the boxes these coordinates, and then we append as well the confidence, and then we return the coordinates in boxes and also the confidences of the model for the object that is detected, which is person. Then we call the input video that we store, and we want to track the objects people in the video. We initialize the video, and we get the frame width, height, and frame per seconds of the video. These are the initial variables that we set to use in later, and then we prepare the video to write it with the path, with the name of the path, and with the code which is the video writer. And then we start reading from the video frames, and then we get the detected person frame with the function detect person. We get the boxes, coordinates, and the confidence of the model for the frame that it detects the people, and then we iterate to the boxes that it detects in the model detects in the frame, and we store the bounding boxes coordinates to the detection list that we initialized at the top. and then we update the track with these detected objects, which is the people, the person. And we look to the tracks, and we get the track IDs and also the left, top, right, bottom coordinates, x and y of them, and we write the rectangle on the frame with the green color, and also we put the text with the specification of the ID, the tracking ID of the person, and with the coordinates left and top that we get from the tracker, and also we write it at the end to the output window. After running this code, we will get the result, which is DeepSort out 6, and it will show the IDs of the people in the frame. As you can see, it is loading, and first it identifies the girl with ID 1 and the boy with ID 3. After they disappear in the frame, they come again with Kalman filter. It will detect the IDs, and the ID of the man changes, but the ID of the girl doesn't change, and it is still 1. So with this, the model didn't predict the boy correctly, track the boy correctly, but it tracks the girl correctly. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please share with your friends and comment below if you have any question. So have a nice day, happy coding, see you in next video, bye.